Bro. I can't get it out. It's a hot. Now we wait till the oven goes beep beep, and then I put the pizza in the oven. See, look at how beautiful this is. My family is going to be so happy. Now listen, I only just started learning how to make pizza from scratch by myself, because my dad's been knowing how to make pizza ever since he was a teenager. So, if you guys want to learn how to make a pizza dough from scratch and impress your family with your awesome cooking expertise, then let me know in the comments, and I will totally love to make a video to show you guys how to make a pizza dough and feed your family in, these times. Me oven, did I hear you scream at me once more? Did you do the beep 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 thing? Oh yeah, of course, because the preheat thing's not open. Okay, we gotta put our scrumptious meal into the oven, so you got to be very careful. I'm gonna open this baby. Oh my god, that's a big old heat wave I feel. Oh, it's so warm. Never mind the background, okay? Okay, it's just a garage. I swear Michael Myers doesn't live in my house. Okay, so I'm gonna grab, you gotta be careful when you grab this. Make sure you got big strong arms to carry this, okay? And oh, we go. Oh, I did it. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Ooh, it's gonna be great. Ooh, and then close. Okay, so best thing to do, timer, go for 15 minutes. That's what you want to do at first. And then later we'll check in and see if it needs either 2 or 5 more minutes. But 15 is always good to start. And come on. Oh, atta girl. Oh, atta girl. Good job. Yeah, so I'll see you guys when oh great. You can see me. Just kidding. I'll see you guys when the pizza is nice and golden brown. Ooh. Y'all know what that means. It's time to check on this pizza. Okay, I need to get my spatula. Oh, focus please. Okay, I need to get my spatula because it's like that, it's easy. Oh my god, that looks, oh god, that looks great. Excuse me, what is it called? My glasses can get foggy with the heat, but yeah, oh my god, that looks beautiful. I like to get a spatula to kind of get around it to make sure like nothing's stuck too much. Oof, oh that's a hot. Just like a me on a summer day. Just kidding. Okay, gotta turn it around a little bit. Ooh, stuck a little bit there. Oh my god, please turn. Ooh. Okay. Why can't I? You know what? Technical difficulty. Hold on. I know you're yelling. Yo, that looks pretty good, honestly. That's like perfect. But I'm gonna put it in there for like because you see the cheese there, I feel like it could be melted more, so I'm gonna leave it in there for 5 more minutes, even though it looks good on the edges, but 5 more minutes should be okay. I don't think it's gonna, oh excuse me, I don't think it will hurt it. And then ooh, you guys get to see me cut it. It'll be great. So yeah, I'll see you in like under 5 minutes. Man, oof. Oh, you see, it kind of like, it didn't blow up, but it's like a little bit rising on some parts. But yeah, that cheese definitely looks a little bit different. Maybe I should have left it in for like 2 or 3, but that's still fine. Let me get that pizza out and I'll show y'all what it's all about. Oh man, oh crap, I dropped it. No, I didn't drop it. But oh man, oh crap, I can't grab the other part because it's too hot. Hold on a second. I need to adjust. Because I have the pizza pan, because it's really hot, laying on something like this so that it doesn't hurt the counter, because the counter has feelings. But oh man, look at this. Oh, it's the best thing you've ever seen. Look at it. Don't you? Okay, watch. Hold on. Don't you wish you can make this pizza and be a magnificent chef? To be a chef, that's all you need to do. You just make a pizza. So I should like cut it now, because it's going to look really tasty, or it's going to taste tasty and look tasty. So let's go for the middle here. Oh my god, you see that cut, guys? Oh my god, it's so satisfying. Oh my god, oh my god. I bet you guys want a bite of this pizza. And you can have a bite of this pizza, of course, if you either bought one or made one, but no other pizza place can make it like we do at home. you know, oh crap, homemade. So yeah, this is like the best thing ever. I do like homemade pizza, but like out of the pizza that you know, like the pizza places, my favorite is Little Caesars. I don't know why, but I really like their pizza. Oh man. Ooh. Yeah, so probably gonna cut it into 8 nice pieces, or the pizza will be like, you know, maybe even more, like 12, but they'll be like small pieces. So the thing, this is different. This is the second time I've made a pizza dough, and this one actually came out like a little bit like sticky-ish, like, you know, like a little too much instead of more like a soft dough. And I think that's just because maybe I just need more flour, because when I was making it, it was really sticking to my hands. The first time it wasn't like that, but you know, that's okay. It's just trial and error. But yeah, and man, it still looks pretty good. I bet it'll be like nice and soft, you know, that little sponge. Like, look at how thick. Wait, no, you can't see right. Look right here. You can see it better with like this piece. Just look at how thick. Oh my god, you can just tell from here. It's amazing. And yeah, I can't wait to have somebody's pizza. Personally, I like pizza when it is soft. I know some people, oh crap, some of the pizza stuff fell on my finger and I was like, got scared. It tastes good. But yeah, some people personally like it to be kind of like more crunchy and crisp. I don't like it like that so much. Like, you know, obviously these are like, the crust is okay because, you know, it's the crust. But yeah, I generally do like it to be nice and soft. So I think I'll cut some extra small pieces on this piece right here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So it's like I'll cut 4 ones into 4 other small pieces. Just because it could be a bit better, or, you know, give the illusion that it's a lot more pizza than what it is. But of course it's the same thing. Yeah, but oh man, I can't wait to take a bite. And like I said earlier, if you want to know how to make a pizza dough, make a pizza from scratch, I can like totally show you guys. Just let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than glad to teach you guys how to do that. Because I think knowing how to make a pizza from scratch is like awesome. So yeah. Ooh. Oh man. Oh my god, it looks so great. Okay, hold on. So I need to showcase this on a plate so you can like really see, because this view, I wish the camera could be up more like this, but I got these chopsticks to kind of keep it in place. So yeah, let's fast forward to that. Oh man. Oh, it fell. Just kidding. Okay, hold on. Oh man, I know there's like bread stuff here, but it just kind of attached from the other side. But look, oh man. Yeah, let me take a bite of this. So it's a hot, but of course, before you eat pizza, you gotta have a drink. So right now, I'm drinking Canada Dry Diet Ginger Ale and Lemonade made with a special real juice. Yeah, I know it's backwards, I'm sorry, but yeah. Canada Dry Diet Ginger Ale and Lemonade. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Okay, yeah, so just look at, that's a thick boy. Yeah, so you gotta blow on your food before, blow on your food before you burn yourself. I'm gonna take a bite. It's so good. See, when it's falling apart a little bit, that's how you know it's like big fluff. Yeah, so yes, that's half of the process of making the pizza. The dough part is a secret. You just saw me prepare it and put it on the pan and in the oven. But like I said, if you want to know how to make the dough, let me know in the comments. Because if I do that and then you guys learn how to do it, it'd be so cool to watch you guys like making a pizza by yourselves and like recording and uploading it. I'd love to see it. So yeah, have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.